Hi,
Ayun na yung kaya.
I'm Fergie Mangade, 28 years old, a Filipino citizen, and a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Agriculture, major in Animal Science. I have with me 4 years of experience in poultry farming. From 2019 to 2020, I joined the UGT program of our university in Israel, where I was assigned Kibbutz Satyati Hatchery. After graduating in year 2021, I work locally as a livestock and poultry technician. Later on, I joined a local poultry farm as supervisor. In year 2022, I applied and was accepted in an agricultural training program in the US. I trained in Rose Acre Farm for a year. Currently, I am managing a small backyard farm where I am raising not just chickens but pigs and other livestock as well. Should you have further questions, just let me know and I'll be happy to answer. Thank you.